Hello? You're here because you've heard the buzz. AI can now whip up a video game in seconds. One moment you have an idea and a cup of coffee. The next, a playable world appears on your screen. It sounds like magic. The ultimate shortcut. No coding, no years of work, just instant creation. The dream? Anyone can be a game creator. The barriers are falling, flattened by algorithms. Just type, "Make me a game where a sad badger collects cheese in post-apocalyptic London," and poof. The internet is full of videos showing these tools in action. Type a prompt and a game appears. It looks like the future. But is it really? Is this instant game creation, or just a clever trick? Traditional game development is a marathon, teams, years, and big budgets. Now the line between creator and consumer is blurring. But before we get swept away, let's look closer. Is this the dawn of instant games, or just technological sleight of hand? Let's find out. Time for a reality check. When you see AI make a game in seconds, you're seeing a prototype, a digital sketch, not a finished product. It's like asking for a house and getting a floor plan, not a home with plumbing and lights. AI tools are great at the first step, generating a basic game loop, placeholder art, and a playable demo. This saves days of setup, but it's just the beginning. Think of it like Lego AI dumps out pre-built walls, but you still have to assemble the castle, add details, and make it yours. The promise of a game in seconds is both true and misleading. Yes, you get a prototype fast, perfect for testing ideas. But turning that sketch into a polished, engaging game, that's still a long human journey. AI is a powerful assistant, not an autonomous architect. The real work, creativity, polish, and fun, still needs you. So, instant games? Only at the starting line. The rest is up to you. Let's meet the digital assistants behind this revolution. Rosebud AI type, cat jumps on clouds to collect fish, and it generates assets and code for a playable scene. It's a game starter, not a finisher. Ludo.ai your brainstorming partner. Feed it a theme, and it spits out concepts, characters, and mechanics. Perfect for breaking creative blocks. Buildbox and GDevelop no-code platforms now supercharged with AI. Drag, drop, and customize without writing code. Buildbox's AI can generate assets or templates. GDevelop's AI suggests logic and art. These tools cover the spectrum. Some generate scenes, others spark ideas, and some streamline building. They're not here to replace you. They're your new, efficient colleagues. AI handles the grunt work, so you can focus on making your game fun and unique. The magic? It's in how you use them. The tools are powerful, but the vision is still yours. AI can build the frame, but you decide what the game becomes. For now, the most important ingredient is still you. Let's see why. Here's the truth. AI can generate assets and code, but it can't create soul. It can draw a sad badger, but it doesn't know sadness. AI is a master of remixing what's already out there, not inventing the truly new. The groundbreaking ideas, the ones that change games forever, still come from human minds. Game development is more than mechanics. It's about emotion, story, and connection. A great game makes you feel something. That takes empathy, intuition, and life experience. AI can place obstacles, but only a human can make them meaningful. The why behind every design choice, that's still your domain. With AI doing the repetitive work, you're free to focus on vision, story, and fun. AI is a tool. You're the artist. Your creativity isn't being replaced. It's being amplified. The future of games, still powered by your brain. Let's put it to work. So can AI make a game in seconds? Yes, a prototype. But a memorable, polished game? That still needs you. AI gives you the canvas and paint, but you bring the soul. These tools are breaking down barriers, letting anyone with an idea start creating. You don't need to be a coder, just bring your vision. Try the tools. Play, experiment, and see what you can make. Maybe it's a pizza delivering penguin, or maybe the next indie hit. The point isn't perfection, it's starting. We're entering a new era where creation is open to all. The future isn't robots replacing humans, it's humans and AI making cooler things together. So go on. The tools are ready. Your brain is ready. Make something. It'll be better than you think, or at least it'll be an interesting experiment.